Ho everyone, UCI Chemistry Chapter 1. Subchapter 3 Chemical Bonding Theory. Everything in the universe is made of atoms. Atoms are tiny particles. They are the building blocks of matter. Atoms can join together. This forms chemical bonds. Let's talk about chemical bonding theory. These bonds are like glue. They hold atoms together. Chemical bonding theory explains how this happens. It tells us why some atoms bond. It explains why others do not. This theory is essential to understanding chemistry. Chemical bonds are not visible, but we can see their effects. They determine the properties of substances. For example, water is made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The bonds between these atoms give water its unique properties. These properties include its ability to dissolve many substances and its high boiling point. Chemical bonds are fundamental to chemistry. They dictate how substances interact. They determine the properties of matter. These properties include melting point, boiling point, and solubility. Chemical reactions involve breaking and forming bonds. Understanding bonds helps us predict reactions. It helps us control and manipulate them. This is important in many fields. This includes medicine, agriculture, and materials science. For example, chemists use their knowledge of bonds to design new drugs. They can create new materials with specific properties. They can also develop new ways to produce energy. There are different types of chemical bonds. Each has unique characteristics. Ionic bonds form between atoms with opposite charges. One atom loses an electron, the other atom gains an electron. This creates an electrostatic attraction. Table salt is an example of an ionic compound. Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons. This sharing creates a strong bond. Water is an example of a covalent compound. Metallic bonds occur in metals. The atoms share their outer electrons. These electrons are free to move around. This gives metals their unique properties. These properties include their electrical conductivity and their ability to be shaped. Chemical bonds are everywhere. They are in the air we breathe, they are in the food we eat, they are even in our own bodies. Understanding these bonds is essential for understanding the world around us. For example, knowing about bonds helps us understand how medicines work. It helps us understand how to cook food properly. It helps us make informed decisions about the products we use. In conclusion, chemical bonds are the fundamental forces that hold matter together. They are the glue of the universe. Understanding these bonds is crucial for comprehending the properties of matter and the nature of chemical reactions. From the air we breathe to the technology we rely on, chemical bonds play a vital role in our daily lives. Thanks, everyone. Next, we talk about valence bond theory. Catch you in the next one. Stay with UCI course.